Hey guys, Sarah here. Bronx is obviously here, like always. Oh, he's got to find the perfect toy to be entertaining in the background with. Whatever will he choose? Oh, nothing? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for July 2019. This box is $15 a month. You get hair care, skincare, makeup, samples, deluxe samples, sometimes full size. Normally they're luxury, high-end sort of deal. And then I think it's supposed to be valued between $50 to $90. And then new members always get some sort of beauty bonus in their first box. This box is a little bit different this month. It says Allure Beauty Box by Huda Beauty. So that's definitely a little different. The last box I got like this was a Kat Von D one. So I'm expecting there to be some sort of Huda Beauty item in here. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below if you're interested in that. And then I always research the values of everything in here and put the sample size value down there to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. So make sure you always open that description box if you want to know the values of everything. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this up. So the box is definitely a little bit different this month. So it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. And then she's also on this right here. That's her. She's very, very beautiful. Oh, wow. Sorry, just looking in here, I think this is a good box. So in this little book, we're always gonna have the full-size values of everything in here. Yeah, and then there'll always be like little information on how to use it, things like that. There is something on the outside of the bag, which is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Alluring. I see what you did there. This is what it looks like. I have tried one of these before. I actually gotten an Ipsy. They are very nice liquid lips. They do dry down matte. They're pretty comfortable, I would say. So it looks like this is something maybe that she made specifically for Allure. I'm not sure. The color looks sort of red, orange maybe. I don't know if this is going to be a good color for me, but let's just go ahead and give her a swatch. Oh, there it is. Oh, this might be a different formula than the one I have. This feels a lot more thin, but yes, it's definitely a red with a bit of an orange tint to it. Let's just go ahead and leave this on my hand and see how it dries down. It does feel pretty comfortable, so there's that. And this is valued, I'm fairly certain this is full size. There's no value on here. Did they stop doing that? No, they did. It's probably not giving me a value because this was probably made specifically for Allure. But I will research the value of other Huda Beauty liquid lips, so we'll get a value on that. Huda Beauty, why do I always say that? Huda Beauty is cruelty free. So definitely excited about this. So the bag is like hot pink this month. I really do hate these bags. I wish they just put everything loose in the box. I just don't know what to do with these bags. I hate them. I think the last thing we need is more plastic, especially plastic that nobody's using. So that's my one complaint about this box is I just hate these. Is anybody using these? Has anybody found a use for these? Let me know. So the first thing I'm pulling out from the bag itself is this Tonymoly Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. So that's what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can even read that with the reflection going on here. You know, I don't know if Tonymoly is cruelty free, but I'm thinking that this has snails in it. So to me, that's probably not cruelty free. I don't know, has snail secretion? What is this? This is weird, I'm sorry. Now I have to look this up. Is this cruelty free? This can't be cruelty free. Okay, so as I expected, this is not cruelty free. I don't know why I even thought there was a chance it could be. It's made of snail secretion. Not into this. I don't think I would be into this even if I wasn't cruelty free. Let's see what this is valued at. $10, wow. I don't know. I mean, I've gotten weird stuff in beauty boxes, but I think this takes the cake. But yeah, there's that. That's probably going to somebody else, not my face. The next thing I'm pulling out looks to be a perfume sample from Kayali. Oh, so this is made by Huda Beauty. So this is a perfume that's vanilla scented. Vanilla 28 is what it says. So I assume this is cruelty free. So it's vanilla. It says vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, musk. I'm not really into vanilla scented things. It's just not my favorite, but let's go ahead and see what it smells like. It definitely smells vanilla. So if you like vanilla scented things, you probably like this. I don't know. I'll probably use it just because I've already sprayed it, but here's that. Let's get a value on it. Very musky. They didn't lie about that. The full size of that is $65. Okay. So the next thing, looks like this one you could have gotten one of three things. So you could have gotten a Benefit Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color, or an Urban Decay eye pencil, or the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, which is what I got right here. I have used this before. It's not bad. It's not my favorite. It's not the worst. I mean, I'll definitely use it. I have it now, so got that. And the full size of this is valued at $34. So, you know, a little bit expensive. I should mention also cruelty free. So there's that. Okay, looks like I have two more things. Okay, so the next thing is from Ouai, which I don't even know. Do people actually buy this outside of getting it from subscription boxes? Because I get it all the time. I've tried like everything from this, but I haven't tried this exact thing. So this is the Ouai Texturizing Hairspray. It's valued at $26, full size. I actually use stuff like this like when I need hairspray and I don't have hairspray. Like I have another one that's like a finishing spray and I use that. So I'll probably use this. I like to save these sort of things for like when I travel and I don't want to carry like big things. So I definitely will use this. It's just a hair spray. I mean, I can't be that excited about it. But it is cruelty free, so that makes me happy. So we have one last item. This is also from Huda. So this is the Samantha No. 7 lashes. So they're definitely very full, lengthening lashes. You know, I'm just not an eyelash person. I just don't wear them that often. I wonder if this is her with those particular lashes on. Because that's what you look like. Those look pretty nice. I don't have a lifestyle that I feel I need to wear fake lashes on a daily basis. I have worn them occasionally. It takes me 8 years to put them on. I don't know. I'm just not an eyelash girl. These lashes are valued at $20, which, I don't know. I feel like if I'm going to buy lashes, I'm not spending $20 on them. I'm probably just going to buy some like $4 ones from the drugstore. But, I mean, I don't know. I'm just not a lash person, so I don't feel like I'm in the right place to really judge these. But I am excited to get them. I mean, I'll probably try them. I'll probably hate them. I just don't think lashes are comfortable. People who wear these every day, like, my hat's off to you. I just don't find them comfortable at all. And even worth the struggle. That's just my opinion, though. But yeah, so that's everything I got in this box. I actually really liked it. And I'm actually really excited that I only have one thing that's not cruelty free, and that's this weird snail thing that I probably wouldn't even use. Anyway, but I would love to know your thoughts on this box. If you get this box, do we get the same things? Did you get the other things aside from the Too Faced product right here? As always, if you liked my video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all the good stuff, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. Before I go, I do want to show you that this did dry down matte. It does transfer, if you can see on my finger right there, so it's not like a transfer proof thing, but that's okay because that's probably what makes it more comfortable to wear. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.